Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the Lexus LFA. This supercar offers an exhilarating experience, but it requires a specific approach. We'll cover everything from understanding its unique features to mastering its incredible power. Get ready to learn how to handle this automotive masterpiece, ensuring you get the most out of every drive. It's a truly special machine that demands respect and precision. Once inside, insert the key and press the prominent red engine start button to ignite the magnificent V10. The LFA features an automated manual transmission, so you'll use the paddle shifters to select gears. Begin by engaging first gear and gently applying throttle. Practice smooth acceleration and braking in a controlled environment to get a feel for its responsiveness. Remember, precision is key with this powerful machine. The LFA offers different drive modes, such as sport and race, each altering the car's dynamics. Experiment with these to find your preferred setting. Mastering downshifts with the paddle shifters is crucial for maintaining power and utilizing engine braking. Pay close attention to weight transfer during cornering. Understanding this will help you maintain balance and control. This car rewards a smooth, deliberate driving style. To ensure your Lexus LFA remains in pristine condition, always adhere to its recommended maintenance schedule. Regular servicing is vital for preserving its incredible performance and value. For those looking to truly push the limits, consider enrolling in advanced driving courses. These can help you unlock the LFA's full potential in a safe and controlled environment. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy every moment with this automotive icon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.